Once again to this series on JAMB tutorials. So this question is very straightforward. Now remember, you have to read this like twice before answering this question, but you can read once and then as you're solving, you're bringing out all your variables from this question. Now let's time it and see if we can do it in less than 60 seconds. Now see, now a container has 30 gold medals, 22 silver medals and 18 bronze medals. If one medal is selected at random from the container, what is the probability that it is not gold? Now from this particular question, you can extract the fact that we have 30 gold, right? We have 22 of silver and we have 18 of bronze. So if I decide to add them up, I'm going to get a total of 70, right? Now one way to do this is to check the probability of obtaining a gold, which is 30. Now this is the possible outcome of getting gold upon 70, which is the total number. Now if you do this, you're going to get 3/7, right? So for not gold means you just take 1 minus 3/7, and this is going to give you 7 minus 3 upon 7, which is just 4/7. You see, you have done this in 56 seconds, right? So this is how to go on with solving all your JAMB questions. Try and see how to extract within this time frame. Thank you for your time. See you in the next question.